Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I want to show you that how I make my Karak chai at home. For that I have taken some tea leaves, I've taken water in a pan, I have taken milk powder, that is Nestle everyday powder. This is the best powder milk which will give you the perfect Karak milky chai. I have taken a cinnamon stick, I have taken two cardamoms, I have taken 1 inch of ginger piece, I have taken cloves. This is ginger, this is the cardamom, this is cinnamon. Believe me guys, when you try this recipe you will say this tea is really amazing. Those people who love tea can make this amazing recipe. So let's get started. In my pan I have taken 3 cups of water. I've taken this measurement of a cup of water and I've added the tea leaves I've added in it. Now I'm going to add in all these things inside, and I'm going to let it simmer, boil for a few minutes because I'm making kadak chai. So you can see all the measurement in the description. I will add it there. So I'm going to wait now. See that the tea has started to boil. I'm going to add in this milk powder in it. I'm going to add it because this is the time that I need to add it, and I'm going to let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Kadak chai. Tea is ready after 5 to 7 minutes after I've added the milk. I have closed the stove and I'm going to pour it in the cups. I have strained my tea with this tea strainer. It's very important because, as you know, I have put all the things, that is the cardamom and all, will all come out in this tea strainer, right? So this tea is absolutely ready. It looks amazing, it looks delicious. I'm going to enjoy it with my biscuits. I am going to make it with my biscuits. I'm going to eat it. Also, guys, please try some more recipes on my YouTube channel. I made this video especially for those people who do not know how to make tea. Now with the help of this video, you are going to be able to make the tea. So this looks amazing, guys. Try it and subscribe to my channel.